Last week, I tried day trading stock options for an entire week as a complete beginner with no prior experience, and it's safe to say that things didn't go so well. With the help from quote-unquote day trading experts on Fiverr, I found myself nearly $1,000 poorer by the end of the week, despite trying my absolute best to make profitable trades. This week, I am absolutely done playing around, and for the next 3 days, I am going to dive straight into the risky waters of stock options trading using absolutely nothing but the signals from a millionaire day trading guru to see if it helps me make money with this challenge. To raise the stakes, if we don't make at least $100 profit, I have to go into a McDonald's job interview looking like an idiot exactly like this.
Want my city, I be trapping day and night. Tell them pussies I'm on murder, I know they don't wanna fight. If we see the ops in traffic, slide the doors and hit the lights. If I jump out with this bitch, I bet he run like Jay Rice. Swear I turned into a demon, nigga should've took my life. I can't lay up with no holo, bitch, you cannot stay tonight. I got pimpin' in my blood.
And in case you guys don't believe that I would do such a crazy thing on this YouTube channel, I literally already applied for a job at McDonald's, and my interview is this Friday at 2:30 p.m., aka the last day of this challenge. So with that being said, let's start day trading our asses off. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day one of this challenge. As you guys can probably tell, I literally just woke up, so I'm gonna have to get ready here pretty quick. The market opens in literally 30 minutes, and I don't want to miss out on a big bag to start the morning off. After getting ready for the day, the stock market opened up at 8:30 a.m. sharp, and another absolutely crazy day on Wall Street began. Hypebeast Reddit stocks such as AMC, Dogecoin, or even GameStop stock opened up either majorly in the red today or slightly in the green, and despite being tempted to try and play around and get into some of these Reddit stocks, I decided not to because the point of this video is to follow the advice from a successful options trader and not the advice of an 18-year-old idiot who has 8 days of stock options trading experience. The options I did decide to invest money into on day one of this challenge includes a $70 FUBO call option, which made me $19 in profit in a single day, and I also did a put option on AMD stock, which lost me $102, and that wasn't even the Discord owner's fault. As you guys can see in my boys Z1 Trade Signals group, it says right here that I should buy a put option on AMD if the price falls below $85 per share. This unfortunately never ended up happening, but I still bought put options on AMD due to some misunderstanding on my end. For some reason, me being the idiot I am, I read his message wrong and thought that I should buy some put options on AMD right away instead of waiting for the stock to dip more. This mistake cost me over $100 today and put our profits to $83 in the negative, but honestly, I am not too worried about that, guys, because I think if I go heavier on some promising options trades tomorrow and the next day, we will be able to make up for all of the losses I made on day one of this challenge and then some. On day two of this day trading challenge, we had a very successful day profitability-wise, all the way from the first trade of the day to the last. The first trade of the day started off with a bang and an easy $7 in profit on my end. My boy Z1 Trades posted in his Discord chat saying that I should buy into ZEYE as a call option because according to him, it was looking like it was about to break a bull flag on its weekly chart. Now, I honestly have no idea what that means since I'm not a big technical trader, but he basically said that this is because they're about to announce earnings and a lot of people were buying into this stock before its earnings report. I decided to go into this position with a light $57 since I didn't really want to risk too much cash after the major loss I had yesterday. Anyways, my boy Z1 Trades on the other hand went in with a fat $3,300 and he secured $900 in profit. I definitely should have put more money into this stock position, but it's better to be safe than sorry. The second trade of the day was so much more profitable than the first, and I even tried to record it live, but things went so freaking fast that I literally couldn't. Within 30 seconds, I bought and sold this call option on TDOC stock for a fat $291 in profit since I bought in pretty heavily with $789 in cash and sold out literally 30 seconds later when the options contracts were worth $1,080 total. After making some cold hard cash and having my first taste of success with options trading, I'm gonna hop on a quick call with my boy Z1 Trades in the next 2 to 3 hours so both myself and you guys can learn more about this way of potentially making money as a teenager. All right, everyone, so I'm here with Z1 Trades now. Thank you so much for coming on, man. We had a hell of a day today. Today, I kind of wanted to touch on that a little bit and then also go over, your personal journey with trading. So starting things off, I guess my first question for you is, what is the background on that like TDOC stock trade you made today? How did that go?
For the TDOC trade we made this morning, I noticed that there was a bit of a resistance line built up around the 274 area, and right off the bat from open, I noticed that with high volume and strength, it punctured through that line, and that's basically when I signaled to buy calls on it. I think it was the 290 calls.
Yeah, I think we did 290 calls, and then within like 30 seconds or like a minute, it went up like 30%. How much money did you end up making on that trade?
So on that trade, I made about $1,700.
Super sweet, man. How did you learn how to day trade? Like, how did you learn about this entire stuff?
Originally, how I started was just seeing my father trading, like,
okay,
all the time, basically. I mean, he wasn't, like, his profession wasn't a trader. That's not what he did as his career. But when he would come home from work, I mean, he was always looking at charts. And then as I started getting older, I think once I turned 16 and got my first job, I was kind of, I started talking to him and I was like, I'm interested in this. And so he taught me a lot. And then, it was pretty much history after that. I kind of just got addicted to it and started learning by myself, reading books and watching a ton of YouTube videos.
And if you're comfortable sharing, I know you don't have to give exact numbers or anything like that, but could you explain kind of like your best month trading and like how much money you made?
I mean, there's been months where I've made, close to 50 grand, in 1 month.
And finally, to kind of wrap things up, do you have any advice for beginner traders who are looking to get into this industry?
I would say just, watch a ton of YouTube videos. There's a ton of free resources out there that can really teach you everything you need to know.
On day 3 of this day trading challenge, I woke up to some absolutely terrible news for the day trading business, as when I went over to check my Robinhood account, I realized that I was banned from day trading due to some stupid technicality known as the PDT rule. Essentially, what the PDT rule is it bans you from doing more than 3 day trades in a 5-day period if you have less than $25,000 sitting in your account. Since I definitely have less than $25,000 sitting in my Robinhood account, and I broke this PDT rule, they banned my account from day trades for the next 90 days until the beginning of May. And since I absolutely don't want to wait until mid-May to upload this video, I decided, you know what, how about I leave Robinhood and join WeBull? So just like that, I withdrew all of the money in my Robinhood account and deposited a fat $2,000 into WeBull. So now I get 2 free stocks for signing up, I believe. So let's go ahead and open them. Actually, guys, I take that back. I think I signed up for WeBull when it was still the 4 free stock promotion. So I get 4 free stocks for signing up. I'm gonna click get. The first one I got was worth $3.09. The next one was worth $3.09 once again. One's worth $10.18, not bad. And boom, another $10.18 stock. Not bad whatsoever. I think I just got like $26 worth of free stocks for signing up. So if you guys want to get 2 free stocks, I believe, for signing up for WeBull, you can use my affiliate link down below. In all honesty, this WeBull account did take me about an entire month to get set up, so it's been a while since I updated this video. Anyways, guys, yesterday I did end up getting a quick day trade in where I bought and sold a $200 call option on Disney stock for a fat $22 in profit in literally a 4-minute period. That brings our total profit so far for this challenge to $237. And with that being said, let's get into our final day of day trading. Good morning, guys. Getting a little bit of a slower start to the day. I just woke up, but as you guys can see in the Discord on the screen right here, he just told us to buy into some 220 BA calls. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to get 2 contracts for 360 bucks. Confirm that order right here. Hopefully it goes well. We're in with a good amount of our portfolio, currently down $2. So wish me luck. Little update, it's been about 15-20 minutes since I bought into those BA calls, and well, I've officially sold out of them for a $75.61 profit, which is absolutely not a bad way to start the day. My friend Christian actually slept over yesterday, so Christian, what do you think of my profit I made?
Don't put the camera at me.
That day trade you guys just saw me do live from bed this morning ended up being the only trade I did today, and it brings our total profit for this 3 or 4 day challenge to $313, which means I don't need to get a job interview at McDonald's. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, and I'll also make a part 2 in like 30 days to see if this is still profitable. If that happens to be out by the time you guys are watching this video, I'll link it somewhere on the screen right there. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.